back to my channel. Today I will be making DIY night cream. For this I will use 4 ingredients. This night cream is suitable for all skin types. It helps in regenerating cells of skin. Moreover, it reduces the wrinkles and signs of aging. So the ingredients that I need are almond oil, vitamin E capsules. I will be using these Snake Hair Animate facial oil capsules. And for aloe vera gel, I will be using Born Organics aloe vera gel, lavender repair for all skin types. You can use any aloe vera gel you want. And fourth ingredient is this olive oil. So yeah, let's get started. Firstly, I will take aloe vera gel. I have taken 1 tablespoon. As I want to make more, so I will add 1 more tablespoon of aloe vera gel. See, this is the quantity of aloe vera gel. Now I will be adding half tablespoon of almond oil. Now I am adding half tablespoon of olive oil into this. So now mix it well. So yeah, I have taken the vitamin E capsule. I have added 1. Then the second one. After that, mix all the ingredients together and you will form mixture like this. This is the consistency. Now I will show you the swatch of this. You can store the aloe vera gel in an empty container. I have stored the aloe vera gel in this, and also you can refrigerate it. It depends how you want to keep it. So yeah, now I will show you the swatch of this. So yeah, this is the cream. See, it will quickly get absorbed into your skin. You can apply this at night after washing your face. So yeah, this will definitely work for you. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.